Well, and good morning. This is Ahura, March 4, Friday, the last day of this week. I'm here to see what is going on in the market, what's happening, what we have to expect from today's financial market. As we know, it is NFP day, but before going to the economic data, I have to tell you that in the last hours we had the news that there was a fire on the nuclear plant in Ukraine, which is the biggest nuclear plant the plant in Europe. But thanks God that this fire was on the residence construction. I mean, the residence buildings in the nuclear plants, not in the nuclear plant by itself. Therefore, so we don't have a risk in the market. The fire is already off, and the war around this nuclear plant is already gone. So we don't have a risk here in the market. However, the news in the first hours that after coming out this news, we saw that the market risk jumped directly from 29 to 31.50, and now it is decreasing under 30 towards 30, and then later under that we're going to see the market is going to be a bit lower because what we can see here that the fire is already off, and we don't have a fire and we don't have a risk in this nuclear planet. But it was a clear message to the western countries from the Russian officials that we are serious in what we told, and we can find and we can start the war with any reason, and we can win this war if we want it in a bad way even. So whatever it was a clear message. I think it was for the Western countries, including the United States and Ukrainian government. So and it was exactly, it happened just a few hours after that. They didn't get to the point. They didn't get to find any solution in their peace talk last week. So far, we have U.S. dollar index increasing after that, all the way above 98, but now it is decreasing. What we can see here in the market, that this market risk can still hold the U.S. dollar a little bit in a higher levels around 97 from the technical and fundamental point of view. In all this time views, we can see it in a uptrend. Same situation we have in a gold. Gold is getting advantage of this ongoing tensions. Anyway, the gold is in an uptrend, and even after the news that this news that we had a jump and again falling in the price of gold price, but still it's in a clear uptrend, and this uptrend can slowly go forward. Same situation we have for the silver. About the oil, we had a news in the last hours that the nuclear talks between Iran and the Western countries sounds like it's going fine, and probably we're going to have the agreement in the next days. If so, then Iranian oil also will be back in the market, and it means that we can see more supply in the market, and around $100 will be in the spotlight after if we got this news. Tensions also is down a little bit after the nuclear plant fire in the nuclear plant, which is gone already. And same situation we're gonna have for the gas, but anyway, the gas will be holding itself above $4.30, and most probably between $4.70 and $5. We're gonna have the gas price around this. SB 500 after the news, after the reaction to the news, a little bit is increasing. Gaining back its loss, and generally telling us that, look at here, 4,200 US dollar is a very strong support, and most probably we're gonna hold this support and see the prices above. That's especially with the positive news and data from economic US economic today that we are waiting for. I'm talking about the US economic data today, NFP and other economic data that we have from over the financial market. They are important, but already they are priced in the market with whatever we have there with the ongoing war. So therefore, I don't think that it can NFP this month's NFP data can make any changes in the market. Most probably will be ignored. Maybe just 30 minutes, 1 hour, the market can have a reaction to that. But anyway, the news from the war headlines from the Ukraine and Russia will be leading the market. About a cryptocurrency market, about a cryptocurrency, I told yesterday in several times, he repeated that this uptrend that we saw here could be short term, and any uptrend, clear uptrend, need to see the prices above 44.6K. Otherwise, we don't have any reason right now in the financial market. We don't have any reason for now to say that, okay, you know what, because of this, because of this, because of this, Bitcoin price going to increase. So we don't have any reason to say the prices are increasing. Therefore, from the technical point of view, in H4 chart also you can see in 1 hour and 4 hour charts also you can see the prices again going to the downtrend. And if we see the 40K down, we can see much lower levels as well. For now, we don't have any reason to say that the Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies prices are increasing, especially for the Ethereum under 30K and the Ripple under 82 cents. This overall market situation, today's NFP data will be important, but not like before, because it's already priced in the market. And for now, till Federal Reserve meeting in March 15, 16, we're going to see the pressure on the stock markets and new stock markets for now, and the market is depend on the war news. Okay, hope it was useful for you guys, and see you guys again on Monday. Have a good weekend, and bye bye.